This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Richard Alpizar. This is it. Welcome home to this newer, energy efficient and super clean home in Orange Creek. This floor plan is perfect for entertaining. The kitchen features granite, stainless steel, dove gray solid wood cabinets and designer lighting. 5.1 surround sound speaker hookups in the family room. The master suite easily fits a king-size bed. The bathroom is highlighted by double vanity with granite counters. There is a separate shower and tub with large walk-in closet. No carpet. Enjoy quiet mornings on the covered lanai. All tile throughout. Overall monthly expense is very low with power bills under $150. Washer and dryer included. Lawn care included. For more information, review the details below or contact Richard Alpizar at 407-406-5331.